2.2.4, what I did is I said, okay, it's the FIFO method, ne? And I said, okay, 235 units were closed stock, right? And then I say, okay, January, if I look at January, had 180 units, of which 30 was returned. So in other words, 180 less 30 gave me 150 units. But then when I calculated the carriage, I still worked on 180 units. You get what I'm saying? Because I said they did not refund me on the carriage on purchases, meaning it's still part of the stock that's left over. It's still part of their price. Okay. Now, if you look at the memo, they didn't do it like that. What they did on the memo is they worked on 150 units at the unit price and 150 units at the carriage price. Can you see the difference? Let me show you again. I worked 150 on the 475 and 180 on the 8. They worked on 150 for both. Okay, because what they say is that that 8 rand that we didn't get back is going to form part, it's going to load the cost of sales. Because remember, what are we calculating here? We are calculating the closing stock. So if I calculate the cost of sales, I must take the opening plus the purchases, less the returns, plus the carriage, less the closing. So basically what I did is I included that carriage that we didn't get, ne? I made it part of the closing stock. Whereas they say no, it's already included here in the carriage here. And I'm not going to subtract it from that carriage. So I'm adding the full carriage here. So can you see with their method, the cost of sales is going to be bigger, whereas with my method, the cost of sales is going to be smaller. So just remember, both these methods, nothing is wrong with it. A business will decide which method he will use, and he must just constantly use it. But the way they mark, they always mark according to this method, which makes your life easier, because you just remember, you always take the units you have and you use the same units for the unit price, the purchases, and for the carriage, and for the customs. There's no difference between them. Like where with mine, there was a difference. Okay. So actually the way they mark it is easier for you to remember and do. Is everybody sharp with that? Yes. Okay.